Learning objective at the end of the lesson, students should be able to define e-learning and explain its meaning in education. Identify three examples of e-learning used in teaching and learning. Explain three advantages and three challenges in e-learning. Robot, talk about e-learning. E-learning is the use of electronic or digital technology to support or deliver teaching and learning. It allows students to learn using devices such as computers, smartphone, and tablet. These are some of the examples: online classes, video lesson, online examination and quizzes, digital textbook and lectures notes, educational websites, learning application, recording lectures, learning discussion forum, learning management system elements. Move on to how e-learning actually works. E-learning normally involves a teacher providing learning materials through a digital platform. Students use their device to access the materials and participate in learning activities. For example, a teacher may upload notes and assessment to Google Classroom. Students can download the materials, study them, complete their assignments, and submit their work online. The teacher can then mark the work and provide feedback. Some important e-learning is important because it makes education more flexible and accessible. Students can learn from different locations and in some cases at times that are convenient for them. E-learning can also make lesson more interesting because teachers can use multimedia such as videos, pictures, audio, and animations. Disadvantage of e-learning: flexible learning, that is, students can learn from different locations and may be able to study at convenient time. Easy access to learning materials. Students can access notes, videos, books, and other resources online. Saving time and cost. Can reduce some transportation and printing costs. Interactive learning. Videos, animation, quiz, and other digital activities can make learning lesson more interesting. They have support independent lesson, improves digital skills. Move on to some challenges in e-learning. We have number one, poor internet connection. Poor internet connectivities. Slow or unreliable network can make online learning very difficult. Cost of device and internet data. Some students may have some students may not have access to smartphone computers or affordable internet data. Power interruptions, electricity problem can prevent students from charging their device and attending online classes. Lack of digital skills. Some teachers and students may need training to use e-learning platform effectively. Distraction. Limited face-to-face interaction. Some of the some examples of platform: Google Classroom, used for sharing materials, assignments, and feedback. Moodle, used to manage courses, learning materials, and assessments. Zoom, for live classroom or meeting. that is online classroom or meeting, Microsoft Teams, YouTube. So we talk about everything in about e-learning. Is the important application of information technology in education. It uses digital devices, the internet, and educational software to support teaching and learning. It provides students with flexible access to educational material and allow teachers to use different digital resources in their lesson. However, challenges such as poor internet connection, high data cost, lack of device power interruptions, and limited digital skill can affect its effectiveness. Therefore, proper access to technology and adequate digital skills are important for successful e-learning. Like leave a mention question and see what is e-learning. Explain 5 examples of e-learning. State